Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It will help us a lot to grow this channel. Today I want to give you my top 5 podcast in SA. SA stands for South Africa if you are not in SA. So here's my top 5 podcast in South Africa. Number 1, it have to be MacGyver. MacGyver, he's there with his network crew, like your popcorn and cheese. Um, what else again? The hangout, everything on the network. MacG comes number 1 for me. Um, his consistency is amazing. I think now he's on 400 and something, close to 500 episode now. Then number 2, it will be who? The Hustlers Corner with DJ Boo. Yeah. Yeah, the hot man. I still remember when he started his thinking. He said, "You can just take your cell phone and shoot, man. You have to do this, man." And look at him now. He even celebrated, because he was busy DJing, celebrated his 100,000 subscribers. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, he's there. Hot man at number 2. Number 3, it have to be the Penuel show. Yeah, the Penuel show is doing very good. One thing about the Penuel show is too clear. Like, I don't know, they're using 4D or whatever, 4K something, but the show is very clean. And then the third one will be what? It have to be, I don't know, man. The rest are not so consistent, man, when it comes to shooting. Okay, let me just throw in Nkululako and culture at number 3. Yeah, Nkululako and culture. Even though he's hating on MacG, the guy is hating on MacG. I know it is his opinion when it comes to MacG, or it's how he feels, but the guy really hates. How can he say he's on Penuel show that he doesn't watch podcasts, but he's been doing this TV for so long, and he's been in the internet space. So that was the first lie. When they were busy celebrating, what do you call, million subscribers at Sunbet Arena, shout out to the chillers, shout out to us chillers who subscribe. Shout out to us because we pushed that million subscribers. Yeah, he said Dineo, she should have a show because she had something, Dineo, she had this show, Dineo's Diary Boom Boom Boom, which was doing very well on internet as well. I don't know if it was even on Facebook or not, but yeah, it was doing very well. Now it's a hate, man. How can you say Dineo, she can do her own thing, you know? Meaning she don't have to partner with MacG, and they don't know how do they pull these things out. That's crazy, man. Okay, and then number 4, it will be who? Number 4, I don't know, man, because there's a lot of guys who took a break. Everything SA Music, they took a break as well. Now I can see they just posting, but shout out to Ria, he was there at Sunbet Arena. Gigi, she stopped as well. She took a break, and then let's hope Dineo Ranaka, she won't take a break on her sex and stuff. She mustn't let us hanging on sex and stuff. And then who else am I gonna put at the bottom? Number 4, let's say who? El Tido's podcast, but is not so consistent. Who can I put there? No, let me put Bhuda T. Yeah, let me say chopping it with Bhuda T. Yeah, chopping it with Bhuda T. Also, yeah, the guy is busy doing his thing there. Yeah, let me put him on my top 5. That will be my last one. Please, guys, let me know which is your top 5 podcast in SA. Shout out, please subscribe. Shout out to MacG for million subscribers. Shout out to everyone who went to Sunbet Arena. I heard when they were busy reporting, it was more than 8,000, so it means it was close to 10,000 people. Shout out to the chillers.